can maybe see in my screen, according to GPS, my best launch start was 6.1 seconds according to GPS, so it's kind of good, but not ideal, because from the factory it's claimed 5.6, but as you as you saw, I was really spinning around in the first gear, so it wasn't that good. But you know, I don't like launches because they are not that good for the gearbox, drivetrain and engine. It puts a lot of pressure on these parts. So it's I don't recommend that. I like rolling starts, and maybe we can see how it is with rolling starts. So let's see. I can put it in manual mode, in second gear, 50, and go. 140. So it's much better like this.